Let's talk enema. Effectiveness of enemas, types of enemas. What if you never did an enema? Let's talk about enemas. Yes, we know it might sound like an uncomfortable topic, but trust us when we say that there is nothing to shy away from. Enemas have been used for centuries as a natural way to cleanse the colon and promote overall health and wellness. From coffee enemas to herbal enemas, there are many different types of enemas available today. But what if you've never done one before? Don't worry. In this article, we'll cover everything you need to know about the effectiveness of enemas, the different types available, and how to do them safely at home. So let's dive right in. What is an enema? An enema is a procedure in which liquid or gas is injected into the rectum to cleanse and empty the colon. Enemas have been used for centuries as a natural way to promote bowel movements and relieve constipation, but they are also sometimes recommended by doctors before medical procedures. There are many different types of enemas available today, each with its own unique benefits and uses. Some of the most popular types include water enemas, coffee enemas, herbal enemas, saline solution enemas, and probiotic enemas. Water enemas are perhaps the simplest type of enema and involve using warm water to help soften stools and stimulate bowel movements. Coffee and herbal enemas contain caffeine or herbs that can help detoxify the liver and improve digestion. Saline solution enemas use salt water to increase hydration levels in the body, while probiotic enemas introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut microbiome. While there are some risks associated with performing an at-home enema without proper guidance or instruction from a healthcare professional, when done correctly, they can be an effective way to promote overall health and wellness. The different types of enemas. There are several different types of enemas, each with its own specific purpose and benefits. Here are some of the most common types. 1. Water enema. This is the most basic type of enema, where warm water is infused into the rectum to stimulate bowel movements. 2. Coffee enema. In this type of enema, coffee is used instead of water to cleanse the colon. The caffeine in coffee helps to stimulate bile flow and detoxify the liver. 3. Oil enema. An oil-based solution such as olive oil or castor oil can be used for lubrication and moisturizing purposes. 4. Herbal enema. A herbal infusion is added to a water-based solution which contains herbs like chamomile, ginger, etc. 5. Probiotic enema. As opposed to traditional antibiotics that wipe out all bacteria, good and bad, probiotics focus on restoring gut health by introducing healthy bacteria back into your system. 6. Barium enema. This diagnostic test involves inserting barium sulfate liquid through an enema tube inserted in your anus, which then coats your large intestine's walls so they show up clearly on X-ray images. It's important to choose an appropriate type of enema based on what you're trying to achieve. It's always best practice to consult a healthcare provider before starting any kind of self-treatment plan involving at-home enemas. The benefits of doing an enema. Enemas have been used for centuries as a natural way to cleanse the colon and promote healthy bowel movements. Although they may seem intimidating at first, enemas offer several benefits that can improve overall health. One of the most significant benefits of doing an enema is detoxification. Enemas help flush out toxins and waste material from the colon, which can lead to better digestion and improved immune function. They also aid in reducing inflammation in the gut, which can alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like IBS, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. Another benefit of doing an enema is relief from constipation. This happens because enemas stimulate peristalsis, the involuntary contractions of intestinal muscles, which helps move fecal matter through the digestive tract more efficiently. Enemas also provide relief from bloating and gas by releasing trapped air pockets within the colon. This process reduces pressure on surrounding organs such as kidneys and bladder, hence promoting better organ functionality. In addition to these physical benefits, many people find that performing an enema provides mental clarity due to its effect on increasing blood flow throughout your body while simultaneously improving hormone regulation, leading to calmness. Incorporating regular enemas into your wellness routine has numerous health benefits that promote optimal bodily performance both physically and mentally, making it a worthwhile practice for anyone looking for natural ways to enhance their lifestyle. How to do an enema. An enema can seem like a daunting task, but with the right equipment and preparation, it can be done easily and safely. Here's how to do an at-home enema. 1. Gather your supplies. You will need an enema bag or bulb syringe, lubricant, such as coconut oil, warm water, and possibly a towel. 2. Fill the bag with warm water. Make sure the temperature of the water is comfortable for you. Too hot or cold can cause discomfort. 3. Lubricate the tip of the nozzle. This will make insertion easier and more comfortable. 4. 5. Insert the nozzle into your rectum slowly. Gently insert it about 2 to 3 inches into your rectum until snugly inserted. 6. Squeeze out all of the water from the enema bag, bulb syringe into your rectum. 7. Hold in place for several minutes before releasing. Remember to always consult a healthcare professional before doing an at-home enema to ensure that it is safe for you to do so. What to expect after doing an enema. After doing an enema, it's important to give your body time to adjust. You may feel some discomfort or cramping as your system begins to expel waste and excess fluids. It's also common to experience a feeling of fullness or pressure in the rectal area. One thing you can expect after an enema is increased bowel movements. This is because the solution used for the enema helps to soften stool and stimulate contractions in the colon, making it easier for waste to be eliminated. It's not uncommon to have several bowel movements within a few hours after completing an enema. Another potential effect of doing an enema is improved digestion and absorption of nutrients from food. By removing built-up waste from the colon, you may find that you feel lighter and less bloated, which could lead to better overall digestive function. It's worth noting that everyone reacts differently to enemas, so what one person experiences may not be exactly what another does. Some people report feeling energized or invigorated following an enema, while others feel more relaxed or even slightly fatigued. If done correctly and safely, there are many potential benefits associated with doing an enema on occasion. However, it's always wise to speak with your healthcare provider before trying any new health practice, including using at-home kits for administering regular self-enemas, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions that might make this method unsuitable for you. Enema side effects. Although enemas can offer a number of benefits, there are also potential side effects associated with their use. Some individuals may experience discomfort or cramping during the administration of an enema. This is often due to the stretching or pressure placed on the rectal wall. Another possible side effect of enemas is dehydration. Since many types of enemas involve water being introduced into the body, it's important to ensure that you're adequately hydrated before and after using an enema. In some cases, excessive use of enemas can lead to electrolyte imbalances in the body. Electrolytes are essential for proper bodily function, and disruptions in these levels can cause symptoms like muscle weakness and fatigue. It's also worth noting that certain medical conditions may make enema usage risky or potentially harmful. For example, individuals with inflammatory bowel disease should avoid using most types of traditional enemas due to their potential to exacerbate symptoms. As with any healthcare practice, it's important to carefully consider both the benefits and risks associated with using an enema before deciding whether this approach is right for you. If you have concerns about your health or suitability for undergoing this treatment method, be sure to consult with your physician before proceeding. Conclusion. Enemas have been used for centuries as a natural way to cleanse the colon and promote overall well-being. With various types of enemas available in the market, it is essential to understand which one suits your needs and follow proper instructions while administering it. While enemas come with several benefits like relieving constipation, detoxifying the body, and reducing inflammation, they also pose some potential risks if not done correctly. It is always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before doing an enema. Incorporating regular use of enemas into your wellness routine can be an effective way to support your digestive system's health and improve your overall quality of life.